Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 114 Den Walk in Buckhaven. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat, off-street parking, garage and your own private garden space to the rear. Real potential to add value with this one and make it your own. So what I'll do is I'll take you on the tour and then keep listening to the end to how you can get further details. So let's head inside and start the tour. Don't forget, I will show you all of the exterior of the property at the end and the all important price point. Don't forget I said this is real potential to add value, which you'll see as we go throughout. So it's a 2-bedroom upper flat, really spacious, which you can see straight away because this is your main bedroom and it's such a great size. When you think all the bedroom furniture that's in here and you still have ample floor space. So easily get a double or a king. Really bright as well, which is just perfect. And then you come across the hall into bedroom number 2. Again, generous size double. Plenty of floor space and again, nice and bright. So that is your 2 bedrooms. Then we come into your generous sized bathroom. Again, potential to add value, which you can see. You've got your wash hand basin, WC and then bath, but you could easily get a shower above. But that is your bathroom. And then we come into your really spacious lounge, which is just perfect. Let me just show you it from another angle just to give you an idea of all the space that you're getting. And then I love this sliding door that then brings you into your kitchen. And you can see it's actually a breakfasting kitchen because you could easily pull that out, seating area. So you have got space for it to be a breakfasting kitchen, plenty of cabinet space. And then you've got the additional area for storage. But this is your kitchen space. So really spacious property inside. And then let me show you that everything that it has to offer outside. So you come out and down your stairs. Now, as I said, you do have your off-street parking. Straight away you can see there that garage does come with the property. So that is yours, whether you want to use it to store a car or whether you want to use it for storage. But then you do have your off-street parking. So main road just there, Den Walk, and then you have your off-street parking, which is great advantage. And then your private garden, which is just perfect. So you've got storage area for bins, and then you come down these couple of steps, and then this is your private garden space. Really peaceful out back here as well. You've got all your mature plants and shrubs. Easily have a seating area. But this is all yours with the property, which is just perfect. You don't realise that this is all back here. You can hear the birds in the background. So this is your outdoor garden space with the property. That was the personal property tour for 114 Den Walk in Buckhaven. As you've just seen, a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat, real potential to add value and make it your own. Stepping outside, you've got the off-street parking, you've got the garage, and then this massive plus having this private garden to the rear. Great location as well, having everything on your doorstep because you're walking distance to all your local amenities, the shops, the bakers, the schools. Also just a short distance into Leven, and obviously we have the up and coming train station as well as bus routes connecting you all over 5. So it really is a great location while getting the potential to add value with this brilliant flat. If you'd like to get further details or to get the value, you can message me directly, click the link in the video, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV. Take care.